What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test out my new siphon, an absolute necessity in the kitchen, and talk about 3 ways how you can use it to make culinary foam. The 3 main ways to use siphon to make culinary foam are using cream, the most obvious method, using agar-agar, and using gelatin. I'm going to start with the gelatin method as it takes the longest time to prepare. Next, I'm going to warm up my gazpacho just a little bit, because you want to dissolve gelatin in warm liquid. Not cold, not hot, warm. Now I'm going to add my bloomed gelatin to my gazpacho, whisk it thoroughly, transfer it to siphon, and cool it down for 1 hour or 2 hours. While our gelatin mixture is getting chilled down in the fridge, we're going to start the preparation for the cream-based method. The thing that comes to everyone's mind is obviously whipped cream, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do something fancier. We're going to prepare the Parmesan foam. For this, I will need some Parm cheese, some milk, and some heavy cream. Now I'm going to bring my milk to boil, incorporate the grated Parmesan cheese, and let it rest for half an hour. It's been half an hour now, and our milk got properly infused with Parmigiano. So now I'm going to strain it through the cheesecloth, incorporate cream, whisk everything again, and let it chill for a while in the fridge. Now I'm going to show you guys the last of the 3 methods of making culinary foam using siphon. This method is based on agar-agar. So I will need some agar-agar, some blue water, just for the sake of color and presentation purposes. And I will also add some xanthan gum as an extra thickening agent here. The procedure with this method is quite straightforward. First of all, I need to blend all these ingredients together, bring them to boil to activate agar-agar, and cool them down. somewhat about half an hour. And now agar-agar slash xanthan gum liquid had completely solidified, as you can see. Now I'm going to proceed and process it to a gel-like consistency, and then we're good to go. Our blue agar-agar foam base is ready now, and it's basically ready to go, but I have only one siphon, and first I'm going to use the gelatin foam, as you remember, the first thing we did in the video. So now I'm just gonna transfer it to a container and leave it aside until I need it again. Before that, a few words about how siphon actually works. On its own, it's not going to work. You need chargers, and there are two types of chargers available. One using CO2, carbon dioxide, and the other one using N2O, nitrous oxide. And this is the one that we're going to use today. So let's start. First, we need to charge our siphon. You put the charger inside and screw it back on. Until you hear this. Okay? And then you shake it. So this is our foamed gazpacho. As you can see, it totally changed, diluted its color when we made foam out of it. But the texture is really nice, I like it. It's quite stable. If you want to stabilize it even further, you can add other ingredients like xanthan gum and soy lecithin. Let's see now how our Parmigiano foam will turn out. The same procedure, transfer it to a siphon, charge, and press the foam. So that's our Parmigiano foam. Probably the shape of the tip was not the best, because now it looks exactly as whipped cream, but it definitely smells cheesy. I'm gonna try it now. The smell of heaven. It's so good. Okay, bye. And finally, our jelly-like blue liquid is ready to become foam. We'll see how blue it will stay based on the experience with gazpacho. So just remember this color. That's our beautiful blue foam. Surprisingly, it's really blue. It kept its color, but that's probably because I used the food colorant here instead of natural colors. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video about how to use Siphon to make culinary foam. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which foam you prefer. My favorite foam, hands down, is Parmigiano, as you might have noticed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. I'll see you in the next video.